This video is sponsored by Squarespace. All right, I see we have some new faces today. You want to introduce yourself?
Yes, I think you all know who I am. If you don't, let's just say I'm out of this world.
Hi. So why are you here?
Everyone is just like so jealous of me, and it just takes a toll, you know?
Sure.
I'm new here as well. I'm Lumix or Panasonic, I'm not sure.
No, you were here last time.
No, I was gonna come, but someone gave me the wrong address. I just want to say that I'm happy to be surrounded by my peers in the industry.
Well, looks like that's all the new people. Yep, that's everyone. Well, speaking of new people, last time GoPro snuck in here, let's try to keep it to real camera brands only. But last time we were talking about whether or not sensor size matters.
Obviously, it doesn't matter. Obviously.
Are you sure about that?
I use a shoe crop sensor, and my balls dropped.
Was that your lifted pickup in the parking lot?
2 words, alpha male.
Consumer grade. Color science.
Neil Armstrong.
Tony Northrup. Does he shoot Nikon?
Probably.
Guys, let's get back to the topic at hand. I like my sensors like I like my women. 35.
I mean, he's not wrong.
Okay, never mind. Kenan, last time you were talking about back pain because you carry 2 bodies while shooting 12-hour weddings. How's that been?
At least it's still lighter than a Hasselblad.
Only 93 grams on the moon. I once photographed a spotted barn owl, perfectly silhouetted by the moon. It's just a majestic creature.
You can shoot at night?
Guys, can we please focus?
I wish.
Okay, does anyone have anything they want to get off their chest?
I miss autofocus. I actually photographed a heron the other day. I kind of liked it.
I photographed a human the other day and liked it.
Guess I do run a little hot sometimes.
We've all been there. I'm just glad you finally kicked that orange and teal habit.
That was an abomination.
The GH stands for garbage hybrid.
I'm not even sure we landed on the moon.
Well, this has been a colossal waste of time.
Not entirely.
I gotta call my sponsor.
We've been Squarespace customers since 2013, way before this YouTube channel started. We currently pay for 4 Squarespace websites, and striptriviapod.com is one of them.
If you're not raking in money hand over fist with your podcast, you might want to check out Squarespace's new member areas, where you can sell access to gated content like video classes, digital downloads, or newsletters.
You can also showcase your photography with Squarespace's professional portfolio designs. Customize the layout, the look, and the feel to make it your own. Also, you can schedule and book appointments straight from your website. You need to log in that client meeting? Well, they can easily see your availability and reschedule if needed, making your life a heck of a lot easier.
Here's what our new podcast website looks like, and if you're in the market for a new website or domain, we'll save you 10% when you go to squarespace.com/mangostreet, or just click the link down in the description, or use the code MangoStreet at checkout. The options are virtually endless.
Sounds like there's just 3 options.
Okay, there's 3 options.